Good morning, sir. Now, first we'll see the block diagram of a DES algorithm, and after we'll go to the triple DS algorithm. The block diagram of a DES algorithm is as shown here. There is a 64-bit plain text and there is 64-bit key. The 64-bit plain text is applied to the initial permutation. After giving the 64-bit plain text to the initial permutation, we'll get a 64-bit. And the 64-bit key, when you give to the permuted choice 1, we got a 56-bit. This 56-bit is given to the left circular shift. After doing the left circular shift of this 56-bit, this 56-bit is given to the permuted choice 2. After applying the 56-bit to the permuted choice 2, we got a 48-bit. And this 48-bit is given to the round function, and there is 16 rounds performed. After performing the 16 rounds, we'll get a 32-bit, and we'll swap the 32-bit and we'll give to the inverse for final permutation, and we'll get a ciphertext. Now we'll see what is happening in a particular round. Now first, the 64-bit is applied to the initial permutation. Now after applying to the initial permutation, the 64-bit is divided into 32-bit left part and 32-bit right part. Now the 32-bit right part is applied to the expansion permutation. After applying to the expansion permutation, we got a 48-bit. Now let's see the key side. Key is a 64-bit. That 64-bit when applied to the permutation choice 1, we got a 56-bit. That 56-bit is divided into two parts known as the left part and right part, known as 28-bit and 28-bit. Now for this each 28 bits, we are applying left circular shifts. After applying the left circular shift for each these 28 bits, we are giving it to the permuted choice 2. After giving this 28 bits and 28 bits to the permuted choice 2, we got a 48-bit key. And this 48-bit key is XORed with a 48-bit of an expansion permutation. Now, after XORing, we got a 48-bit. Now this 48-bit is going to the Xbox. After going to the Xbox, we are getting again a 32-bit key, 32-bit of a plain text. This 32-bit plain text, again we are doing a permutation, and again we are getting 32-bit. Now this 32-bit is going to XORed with a 32-bit of the left part, and this new 32-bit will become a right part, and the old right part of the plain text 32-bit will become a new part, and this is only for a single round. So this type of rounds will be performed 16 times and will get a encrypted text.